Hey sis, what's the tea? Thank you for checking out my channel. If you like this makeup look, if you want to know how I created it, stay tuned. It's up next.
Okay, so let's go. Disregard my nails. I tried to color my hair, so they stained. Yeah, kids played in my face. Don't do it. Okay, so I'm putting face primer on just to set my skin because I have very oily skin. I'm using NYX foundation. You want to use a flat brush to apply the foundation. So let's get into it. Directly onto the brush and just apply it to the skin. Hold up. Let me put my hair in a ponytail. Okay. So this part is simple. Now for the highlight, I'm using Toast Color from LA Girl Concealer. What the hell? You see that? Man, what the? Okay, let's go. Anyways, I'm just applying my highlight areas. So I'm going to take my setting spray and spray it right directly onto the foundation sponge just to help it blend a little easier. And I'm just pressing the concealer directly into my skin and blending it out. There's glitter all over my face, so you'll see me removing that throughout the video. Disregard, please. But yeah, you just blend the concealer into the skin. You saw that magic? Sped it up real quick. And I'm just gonna blend out the concealer just so it's an even application. So I'm using my setting powders. The first one is Cocoa. And I'm gonna push this into my skin. And I do this before I actually bake my setting powder. And I got this setting powder from the little black section in Walmart. So I think it's like Black Opal or Black Radiance. It's Black Radiance. So boom, we're gonna be using Beauty Supply Store. Yes. Beauty Supply Store eyeshadow. Yep, I said it. Let's get it. So this is how I'm using my eyebrows. I'm just pressing the eyeshadow into my eyebrows so I can have some red eyebrows. Let's go. I'll be using this palette majority through the video, and it was mad cheap. So I'm just following the shape of my eyebrows. In the Access eyeshadow, I'm blending that out so it's not too harsh. Both eyebrows done. Now we're going in with that Toast concealer. Again, that's from LA Girl Concealer. Again, stuff from the local beauty supply store. Very affordable. And I'm just cleaning out my eyebrows at the bottom. Same concept as where you normally do your eyebrows. I'm just using red eyeshadow. Blend that out, sis. Again, glitter. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I'm using NYX White Concealer, so my color pops. And I'm gonna put it all over my eyelids. I already preset my eyelids with eyeshadow primer. And that's just so it doesn't cake. Blend that all the way out, sis. And I'm using my finger just to pat it, just to make sure it's smooth and evenly covered. Alright, so I got my BH Cosmetic palette as well. So with a small fluffy brush, I'm just going to press the pigment into my eyelid. until I get the right payoff. And then as I'm pressing it into my eyelid, I'll start to blend it out. Okay, now we're going to the next shade, a little darker, just to build up the eyeshadow. And I'm doing somewhat of a smoky eye. Again, I'm pressing in the product and then I'll blend it out. And just to save time, I'll show you majority of what I'm doing on one eye, and then of course you copy it onto the next eye. So now I am adding the concealer to cut my crease. This part is so time consuming. And of course, do it to the other eye. For my cut crease, I'm going in with a lighter shade. Same concept, I'm pressing the pigment into that cut crease. And I'm not gonna blend this out, so I'm just gonna press that product into the cut crease for more color payoff. All right, red, let's go. Going into the smoky eye. Again, I'm pressing in that color. And I'm going into a circular motion just to blend it in with the other shade as I press in that product. Both eyes done. I'm using a smaller palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm mixing the two colors to get a little burgundy shade in the same concept. I press the pigment in and then blend it out. Blend, sis. Ow! Now I'm putting concealer at the bottom of my eyelids. And the same color that I did at the top, I'm going to do at the bottom. Same exact process. Going light to dark. Okay, so I'm getting more of an angle brush, and I'm going in with that burgundy mix. Oop, in the red. Sorry. And I'm just blending that in because I'm closest to my eye. I'm taking my time using light little strokes. And I'm going right on top of that red with that burgundy type color that we created. And now we done. You don't have to do this step, but I'm taking that white concealer and I'm going into my waterline. But the look can be complete without this step. And I'm using white so that the eyeshadow that I put over it will be more pigmented. And this just makes the eye pop. And so now I'm going over with that orange, like I mentioned, to make the waterline pop more. Okay, so this is a little hack. I'm using liquid eyeliner on my bottom lashes because I feel like my lashes at the bottom got alopecia. Okay, yeah, I said it, but they don't be showing, so it's a trick. I'm going in with the black eyeshadow for an eyeliner effect. And you want to do small strokes to build the shape that you got. And this is a trick for me, so I don't have to worry about the liquid eyeliner and I don't have to worry about smudging. And I just take my time with this step. And I like the more matte look of the black liner effects versus using liquid. Take your time and build it up. And this way, if you mess up, you good. Now again, with another Beauty Supply Stuff palette, I'm going with that dark brown, and I'm doing my contour, if you will. I'm getting this nose snatched. And I didn't do it on camera, but I do the same thing with my contour all over my face. The same concept. But for time, I didn't include it. And you just want to blend that right on out. And the reveal, sis. Ow. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.